everyone, it's your girl Doreen again with another video, and in today's video I am going to attempt to do my own braids, box braids. I've done it before, so I haven't done them in a very long time, so I want to try again to do them. So I am going to show you my method of doing my box braids. Because I've seen in a lot of videos on YouTube, and the method they use, I find it really hard for me. So I'm going to demonstrate the method that I use, and I am going to use the Afro Kinky Darling number 33. So that's what I'm going to be using because I find it easier to use extensions that are closer to my natural hair. So that's what I'm going to use. They're not very long. They are quite short, so this is like they are folded in half. They are that length, so they are like folded in half. So that's how long my braids are going to be when I'm done. Yeah, so let's get started. So they are, let me count the pieces. I don't know how many pieces they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 pieces. So I have to be really careful how I use them because I only have 2 packets and I have to do the whole head. So my plan is, they are quite curly, so I'm not going to use them like that. So I'm going to separate them like that. Oops. So I have to separate pieces that I separated. So I'm going to use 2 and put them together like that, so that they are thick enough. So that's what I'm going to do. I've already sectioned my hair in 3 sections. So this, I have the back and the middle section. So I wanted to do the first part first. And then so I also have this front section. So this is what I'm going to start working with. I already put leave-in and some other oil mixture. So I'm not going to add anything. My hair is moisturized enough. So I will go ahead and part that section. Okay. I will add a bit of Vaseline to the extensions. So I have this extension that I put together, and then I open it like that. Then I have like 3 parts. Then I'll put that together at the extension like this, and then part the hair in 3 sections. I hope that is visible. And then just go like that and grab the hair together with the extension. That's the method I use, and I go downwards. My extension go downwards. And then I'll just go that way. And when one of the sections become shorter, you can easily borrow from the other one to make it longer and continue. Okay, I'll leave this here, then I can finish later. And then I'll do the next section. I'll show you the way a lot of YouTubers do, which I find a little difficult for me. And also, not only do I find it difficult, I feel like the braid is done upside down. I don't know if it's just the obsessive compulsiveness in me, but yeah, so I find that it looks like the braid is upside down to me anyway. Yeah, so the part is sectioned in 3 like that. extension is put there. Hope I can get those. And they start with that, going like that, grabbing the hair, and then going. I can't really. I'm not so used to this, so it's a bit difficult for me. Like that. That's the method that I see a lot of YouTubers use. I'm just going to do it roughly so that you see the difference. If you don't notice the difference between this one and the one that I did first, you can just rewind the video and look again. So that's how they do it, and to me, I feel like the braid is upside down. Anyway, it's loose, but in the end, it looks like the braid is upside down. I feel like this part is the part that should be up here, like I did mine. Like if I lift up mine, you can see, like on this style that a lot of YouTubers use, you see this part, that's the one that's up here. So I always see that that part that's supposed to be underneath the braid is the one that's up here. So my method is actually the opposite to what a lot of YouTubers do. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out, but I'll continue with my method because the second one is a bit complicated for me, and I just can't. I don't section the part in advance, I do it together with extension. So I'll do like this, and then put my extension just underneath my hair, and then I take a piece together with a piece of extension, and then this side also with the extension, and the middle one as well stays with one piece. Then I just braid together. I hope that's clear. So I've done the front, I've done the first line in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and do the back. My theory is, like, if I get tired or if I don't manage to finish all of them today, if I've done like the back and the sides, if the middle stays, at least I can put it up in a ponytail, then finishing the front and then having the back undone, so it would be tricky to go to work like that. So I'm going to leave this part the way it is, and then go to the back, and then come that way, and yeah, and meet at the crown. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I've already sectioned my hair. I've done two at the back, so I'm just going to sit down for a little bit now and do the rest of the head because I've been standing for a while and I'm feeling tired, so I need to sit. So I'll come back when I'm done and give you the final look. All right, Thank you for sticking with me. Later. Hi guys, so my box braids are done. They took me the whole day yesterday, so I slept quite late, but I am so proud of myself. Yeah, not so bad, huh? Not so bad for DIY. I am quite happy with them. I am quite happy with them. I am really happy with the way they came out. It's really not bad at all. Not bad at all. At least my hair will be tucked away for a little bit. I am so happy with this though. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This might just be my regular protective style, a break from my my crochet. But this, I think I'll keep them on. I'll try to keep them in for at least 3-4 weeks. Yeah, but I'm so happy with the results. This is it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching my videos as always. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. Alright, so thank you again for watching my videos and thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Bye.